years ago, I wanted a pet rabbit. And I heard that Munchie was selling rabbits. No, I live in Trintyville. And Munchie live way up a Bungotty Gap. Now, I had a mule and my friend have a donkey. So we ride all the way from Trintyville up through Dronspen, Mount Vernon, way up in a Bungotty Gap. When we get there, we find a few elderly men sit down telling stories on the veranda. We forget about rabbit. We sat down, we listened. They talk about Brian Nancy. They talk about Big Boy. They tell Dopey's story. And the famous one, the rolling calf. Now, it's time for me to go. By this time, my friend had called me about 3 times, to come on because they get dark. But I not hear him. I basically listening to this. So it's my time to go now. When I get on it, dark like heck. And I think to myself, now, how am I going to get on this dark road all on my own? Then I noticed there was a bit of car tire, the rubber. And I lit it. And I got on my mule. And we walking, going on. And we got about halfway, And all of a sudden the mule stopped. And it doesn't matter what I did, it wouldn't move. I got off the mule, and I held the rope close to his neck, and I pulled, and it's like his 4 legs was glued to the ground. Move. I went behind him, and I tried to push him, and he wouldn't move. And I thought, what am I going to do now? By this time, I had left the rubber tire hang on a branch because we couldn't put it down on the ground. Left it hang on a branch. And when you burn rubber, as you walk along, little bits are dropping and they stay alight, like airport
runway.
When I finished trying to push this mule, the rubber drop off at the tree, little breeze come, blow off the rubber, blow out the light, pitch darkness. All we can see is this little peony valley light going back that way. I remember about running there, when we look up the road, we see 2 bright light like running there have come. And we say, food come. And we start to run back the other way because it come from that way. And when we run. When we reach almost back where I come from, the man, it thing catch up with me, man. It catch up with me. I get into the gearbox and I pull in more speed, man. And I run when I realize that my mule run past me. Catch you later.